Begin by removing the shade from the cassette. Release the pin by turning the clear ring counterclockwise. Next, slide the shade and motor off of the motor bracket and set aside. Using the Phillips bit or screwdriver, remove one end cap from the cassette and slide the brackets out of the cassette. Reinsert the brackets in the opposite orientation. Once the brackets are reinserted, replace the cap and secure with screws. To switch the motor to the opposite side, remove the motor from the tube or idle insert. When replacing, ensure the ribs in the tube properly align with the idle insert. When reinserting the motor, ensure the ribs on the tube align with the slots on the drive end of the motor and the slots on the black spacer ring. Ensure the P1 button is visible and accessible. When inserting the motor back on the cassette, align the slot on the motor to the tab on the motor bracket. Snap the idle end into the idle bracket. The control side has been changed.